Welcome to this MindView video tutorial looking at customizing your mind map. In this session, you'll be introduced to the design and format functions of the tool. You'll learn how to edit whole mind maps, change colors, shapes, as well as edit individual branch items. We'll look at how to change background colors, background patterns, and review the various different layouts and styles available in MindView. To start customizing your mind map, there's two approaches towards this. The first is to use the design function in the ribbon toolbar. The design function will make wholesale changes to the entire mind map. For instance, we have different layouts available. Not only the mind map view, we have the top-down view, the left-to-right view, and right-to-left view. MindView has a number of preset template styles. Selecting the drop-down arrow here, I can see the various different options available. You can then hover over these different styles to see a preview below to see what these templates offer. And finally, within the Design tab, you have the ability to change the full color scheme across the whole mind map, change root shapes, change branch shapes, and even background colors. Here's some examples. In the example where you want to just change individual branches or groups of branches, you first of all need to select those branches you wish to edit. By holding down the left click, you can drag to select multiple branches. Once you've done this, select Format in the ribbon toolbar. Here you can change the fonts, font sizes, color scheme, branch shapes, even fill color and outline. Quite often when you're working with large mind maps, it's important to be able to see what information relates to what category. By using the boundary function found under the Format tab, you can create clear outlines between sections of information. The editing functionality also allows you to change the color of the fill, as well as the width, color, and style of the boundary. Here's a more complete example of the various different design and format functionalities in practice. I've changed the main colors of the branches, some of the shapes, created a boundary, as well as affected the background color and background style.